Welcome to this edition of Burn Tech University presented by Breckwell. In today's video, we'll show you how to properly replace the vacuum switch for your SP6000 pellet stove.
Always refer to your owner's manual. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on the stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you.
The only tool needed for today's project is a 5/16" socket driver. Before starting our project, first make sure your stove is completely cool and then remove the power cord from the back of your stove. We first need to remove the right-hand side panel of the stove. To do this, remove the two screws on the back and then the two screws on the top of that panel. You can then lift the panel back, out, and away from your stove. Using one hand to support the side panel, take careful note of the wire locations on the back of the control board, and then carefully unplug each wire connection. Once the wires are unplugged, carefully set the side panel away from your work area. To remove the vacuum switch, first unplug the two wire leads. Then take note of which terminal the vacuum hose is attached to and then remove it. The vacuum switch can now be removed by loosening and removing the two screws securing it. To install your new vacuum switch, first replace the two screws that you previously removed and then connect the hose to the proper nozzle on the vacuum switch. Then replace the two wire leads. Once everything inside is tight and secure, it's now time to replace the side panel. Hold it up close to the stove and then replace the wire leads in the order that you removed them, making sure that you plug them in the proper terminals that they came from. To reinstall the side panel, slide the tab into the slot just behind the front of the stove, line up the holes, and then insert and tighten the four screws that you removed. Now that our project is complete, be sure to plug the stove back in and turn it on to check for proper operation.
Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you.
Should you have any further questions, please visit our website at www.breckwell.com or contact our customer service toll-free at 1-866-606-8444. Thank you for watching Burn Tech University.